I could totally hire a great company to do my yard treatment for me, but why hire it out when I can do it for cheap? Mancycle. Hey y'all, yard game season is here, and my family loves having us a good time playing frisbee, can jam, bocce ball, or even croquet if we roll in fancy. And nothing's worse than finishing up your game and looking down to discover a dozen chigger bites all over your ankles, or worse, a tick. I don't want any flesh nibblers on my family, so I treat my yard for unwanted pests every spring and then again midsummer. Treating your yard for pests is pretty straightforward. I like to use a granular pesticide and apply it with a spreader. This year, I'm using a spectricide product called triazicide. I got it from Lowe's for about 15 bucks a bag. Given the size of the space I'll be treating, which is about 1 acre, I picked up 4 20-pound bags of pesticide. I found that I typically need to double the amount of product that the manufacturer recommends. I'm covering about 50,000 square feet, so I bought enough pesticide for 100,000 square feet. Check out the schematic of the portion of my yard that I'm treating. The red dotted line illustrates my planned treatment pattern. The reasoning behind this approach is that the pests I'm trying to get rid of are mobile, and thus I don't need to cover every inch of ground. If I apply a good band of protection every 15 feet or so, the pests will move through it eventually. The process is super simple. I open a bag and fill my spreader with the granular pesticide. I begin the treatment by outlining my yard. After the yard's outlined, I apply my banding application, refilling the spreader as needed. I'll pay a little extra attention to the most heavily trafficked areas, including next to the house, where I destroy my family in yard games, around our treehouse, and on the shore of the pond. That's it. Now when I'm crushing my daughters in a game of can jam, chiggers and ticks won't be adding insult to injury, or injury to insult. You know what you call that? Oh, that's a Mancycle.